Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty. Hope you're all right. Hope you guys are doing well. Right, so this video is about if I didn't have a conscience. If I didn't have a conscience or any sort of like moral standing, there's some things that I feel like I would do. You know? So the first, I think that if I didn't have don't judge me yet. We all have thoughts here. If I didn't have a conscience, one of the things that I would probably do is I would totally be in the drug business. Like wait, okay, that would be number two. Number one, if I didn't have a conscience, me and my mom were watching this show called I think it's called like Sex Slaves or something.
Wool up, just wool up.
Or just it's something on CBS, and like the police try to catch guys who are trying to like book for prostitutes and things like that. And I'm thinking, yo, and they'll tell us like how much these girls would earn in one night, like 600-700 pound in one night. And I'm thinking, yo, that's how much I get, you know, in like a whole month of work. So I told my mom, like, Mom, listen, yeah, even if I did this thing for even if I did this thing for 1 week, I could get some money. And you know, like, you don't necessarily have to exchange any bodily fluids, if you know what I'm talking about. There's these kind of, I don't know if they're called escorts or whatever, that like you don't really have to pay money. I mean, you don't really have to do anything. This girl on YouTube, I think, I don't know, is her name Trisha? She's got really blonde hair. Everyone knows her blonde hair. You know who I'm talking about. Anyway, and she was talking about this experience where there was time in her life where she would just go out with these older guys, like they were much more, like maybe like, I don't know, 60, 50, just for company, because they're so lonely and they have money, so they pay you for your company. I'm like, you're not doing nothing. There's no sin involved. You're just giving an old guy some company and you get money for it. So definitely, honestly, if I didn't have a conscience, Charlie, I would be there. £600 a night. Are you alright? Flights to Dubai, hey, building houses in Ghana, up. Like, honestly, like, if I didn't have a conscience, that's one of the things I do. Number two, going back to the drug thing. Yo, I watch UK Border Force all the time. And you see them and they'll show you like this tiny bit of cocaine or whatever, and they'll be like, street value £2,050. I'm like, this much for 2,000. I'm like, even if I took one packet over the border, I feel like, yo, if I wasn't even I don't know, some people, like, especially the places who hide it, that little amount, like, can put it under your wig, can put it in your armpit, back of your bra. Like, you could do so many things and you would get £250,000 for that little amount of thing. So honestly, if I did not have a conscience, I would be doing that. Number three, what else would I do if I didn't have a conscience? And in regards to drug thing, yo, the best place to trade drugs, I feel like in the church. Can you imagine the pastor's praying for you, shabola satata papa, and then he just slips it in your pocket. Collection time comes, putting the money in the collection bowl. Everyone's thinking, she just paid that collection. Nope, you're paying for the drugs. It would totally work. No one would suspect that a church would be dealing drugs. Yeah. If I didn't have a conscience, what else again? So that's the keeping people company without exchanging fluids. Drug trade. What else did I? If I didn't have a conscience, yo, the things I would wear. Like, sometimes I see people wearing stuff and I'm like, no, you did not just wear that. Like, why you showing? But if I didn't have a conscience, the whole Glasgow will hear about me. The whole village will see me when I'm walking down the street with my high heels, 24 inches high heels. I'll dye my hair like, what's a very dangerous color? I'll dye my hair like blue, green, orange, all the way up. Blue, green, orange ombre, killing it. I'll start wearing like orange contact lenses. I'll just wear the craziest stuff if I didn't have a conscience, just for the sake of it. Like the shortest shorts, I don't know, just looking crazy if I didn't have a conscience. Yes. What else did I do if I didn't have a conscience? I had one more, but I'm like, I don't know if I really want to say it. It's a bit too explicit. If I didn't have a conscience, this is if I didn't, guys, if I didn't, but I do. Definitely the whole, I don't want, it's not prostitution, it's just company paid. Paid company. That's what I would do. At number 2 is the whole drug trade. That one is just, that one I would do in a heartbeat, in a heartbeat. I would do that one. And the dressing.
It's about time to introduce ourselves to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's rough.